Would you actually let me
I'm
slap
not gonna
you?
lie, Cheyenne
Let me see
can
how hot you
actually
are. Go on,
put
slap
herself
me.
together. I'm gonna actually
Slap
respect
me.
her for that. Her suits are always like set. I don't know if she got like a stylist or is she the one
Hi, I'm
doing all
Shine
her
Reynolds and I'm still on the lookout. I've had some
reputation
good
for herself.
dates.
I'm liking my views, like, do you know what I'm saying? It's all good right now.
Charmer, ain't ya? And I've had some bad dates. How do you think you've done?
Oh,
I don't really give a shit, I'm not
Casillo.
gonna lie, bruv.
Where
Dude,
are all the
got to
decent
put my
men?
boy
Not in my
Casillo in there.
DMs, that's for sure.
You get me? I feel like I'm rolling with the man then. What's going on? Like, guys.
It seems like a lot of men don't know how to treat a lady.
I'll just manhandle everything.
Yeah,
Start
right.
putting it chest and chest and then that, like, jeez.
Will I have better luck this season? What would you do if my ex was after you?
Dude,
Can help
at
you.
this point,
Let's
Cheyenne
find out. This
is
is grilling.
a 2-month situation
Moses
because
ODN,
she didn't
ODN
pick
gang,
anybody
I'm
from
here to give
season
her the
1.
grilling that she normally gives all the other guys. I know she thinks that she's got all of the vibe, but it's all on me, innit? So.
You want a relationship?
Who, with her? She's probably gonna ask me if I give head. Like, I know she's probably gonna ask that. And I feel like that question is so sensitive, but this is what I do, innit? So I'm not there.
Dude, listen.
Unless she comes out and she's more
Stop
pretty than I
lying,
think
bruh.
she will be. Cause I've seen her on you know on YouTube and I'm like she's cute, but if she's more pretty in person, then I might crumble a bit, but nothing major in it. Of course I'm ready. Why are we still here? I don't know why you guys have still got me behind this bar. Like I'm ready. Let me talk to this
He
girl.
sounds like he's got an
let's do this,
African
man.
accent.
Let's go. Come
Got like an
on.
African type of accent. I don't know what's going on there, but let's see how he does. Let's see how he does.
You alright?
Hello. You okay?
I'm good still. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
Moses.
At least he
nice
doesn't
to
got a
meet you.
tracksuit
What's
on.
your name?
Cheyenne.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
London, Leicester, Nigeria, everywhere.
Oh,
Everywhere.
Nigeria. I knew it, bro. I knew he's African.
I
man.
live
Can you hear the
Essex
accent? African
and my
accent.
family are Caribbean.
I feel like you're a bit shy right now. I don't know why.
You think I'm shy? No, I'm good, I'm good.
Like, you give me a bit shy vibes. I don't know whether she thinks I'm about to deal with her, but the way she's giving me the looks, like she can't even look in my eyes.
I'm
Dude,
shy.
that's Cheyenne,
Who's
man.
the shy one? I think you're giving me shy
She-
vibes.
Why?
She's
That's
a
nice,
master
just
of,
the way you come in, your energy is very like.
what
Just
can I
how I
call it
am,
now?
man.
Manipulation?
Calm,
I don't know.
Tell me a bit about you.
But she's very good at
Business
that.
owner, got a few businesses. I'm a YouTuber, a model.
There's a lot of things, isn't there?
What's all this about? Like, what are you doing, Ross?
I'm just trying to find a man that I can take serious.
I don't feel like you're trying to find a man you can take serious though. Like,
Why?
how long have you been single for?
For a few years.
Few years.
Like 3 years?
You've been single for 3 years.
Yeah.
So, do you think it's your fault or the guys?
No, it's not anyone's fault. It's just by choice.
What kind of choice? That's got nothing to do with me, innit? If you're single for 3 years, the issue's clearly you, not me.
Yeah, that's kind of weird though. Like, for a
It's
woman
all
to be
you still.
single that long and she's not really, like,
Mine, I'm big on doing personal
even for what
development
she's
and
actually
working on myself.
doing.
So, you know, people preach about being a good woman, but you have to internally do the work.
How long is that going to take then?
Well, it took me 3 years.
But it's still going on, so it can be 4 5 years. 6 years.
Yeah, well, 3 years single.
Okay, so are you ready to be in a relationship? now?
Yeah, that's why
Dude, I
I'm
like
doing
how he's
grilling.
actually
They're looking for
asking her
husband right
question,
now.
you know,
Yeah.
like letting her
Why are you laughing?
answer
I
because
don't
she
know,
didn't
if
mention
I- if
any
I
of
told you I
this
was
in
marry
the
you right now, what are you saying? You're gonna
previous
marry me?
episodes.
Why?
Why would I marry you right now?
Because this is what we're here for. You're not gonna
Yeah,
be-
I'm here for marriage with the right man.
Yeah, how do you know I'm not the right man?
I don't know, your attitude's a bit...
Actually, it's calm.
Yeah, it's calm, but seem a bit sure of yourself.
I'm just saying, if you're looking for love, then I can give you that. I can give that to you.
You can give me love.
Yes.
You sure?
What else do you want?
Stability, loyalty, honesty. Can you tick those boxes?
I can tick a lot more than that.
Really, what can you tick?
So many other things, but I just feel like you just stay the basic things.
Seems a bit full of it.
You're not gonna find your husband like that. You know what I mean?
No, no.
Those are things that all guys would just say they have. A lot of guys have stability. A lot of guys claim they're loyal even though they're not.
Yeah, exactly. This is the problem. A lot of people are talkers.
Dude,
Actions
I
aren't
like his
what you are,
vibes already.
what you
He's
say you are.
like
So you like action.
down to earth.
Yeah.
He's saying what he's want to say and he's just going with
What
it,
kind of
man.
actions do you like?
People just honouring their word.
Oh, okay, so not any other type of actions.
Like what?
I don't know, I just feel
No, go on.
I just feel you had other actions in mind.
What do you mean by actions?
You said you like actions, not words,
My love language is just thought.
not physical touch.
Yeah,
Oh, you like physical touch?
yeah,
Oh, so you do like that kind of action.
yeah, but not sex.
I think you said, no one said sex. I didn't even say,
Tell me about your sex life.
great, it's fantastic. But everyone says their sex life is great and fantastic. But I feel like mine's actually all right.
Why is it all right?
I get the job done.
What do you mean you get the job done?
Sex is a mission at the end of the day. You begin it and you end it. I start the mission well and I complete it, mission completed, so I get the job done.
So you're saying women is like just a task.
No one said that.
Yeah, but you're saying it's a
I
mission.
said it's a mission.
Mission. It's a really weird way to talk about sex.
Sex itself, not women. Sex itself is a mission.
So do you have meaningless sex?
No.
I don't know, the way you've like said it's a mission.
I've had meaningless sex though.
You have?
Yeah.
All the time?
Have you not?
No, I can't do meaningless sex.
You probably had that before.
No, I really can't do it.
What's your body count?
My body count?
Is she gonna lie?
Yeah, so I couldn't be asking anyone else.
I'm not going to tell you.
Why?
It's not really it. I might tell you in a bit.
When a girl doesn't give you a body count, the body count is high. Forget about it. As soon as they tell you,
That's true, bruh.
I don't want to tell
That's
you,
true.
the body count is high.
Because
And
if it's
I
very
already
low,
know
they
for a
could have
fact the
jumped
body
out
count
and
comes in
say it.
around like 42, 43, 44, and for girls.
Oh,
sorry,
remember what
that's
Cassidy
high.
said?
What's your
Cassidy said it
body
was 32 or
If
something
you
like
didn't
that.
tell me, what makes you think I'm going to tell you
Yeah, but
mine?
you might. Lead by example.
Nah, I don't want to. Feel
Why?
like yours. Anyways, judging by you not telling me your answer, I feel like your body count is probably something high, innit?
Like high. What's high?
Probably like 14. 14 is high.
I think 14 is a good number.
Yeah.
No, it is.
It depends on who you are, innit? Some people 14 is really high. Some people 14 is low.
So you've slept with 14 people?
It's less. It's close though. 13.
13.
You can keep guessing, innit? I'm not gonna say it. Innit?
Why?
But it's very close. It's nothing crazy, innit?
But I don't know what crazy is.
I feel like for a guy, crazy is above 30, but I'm not at that level still. Like I said, my sex, they mean a lot.
No, but it's not a mission. You can't say mission.
It's a mission. Let me tell you why it's a mission, yeah? When you have sex, is there not an outcome?
Yeah.
That's the end of the mission. When you get the outcome, you're not done.
Yeah, but you can't. Mission just sounds so like.
It's just a term I'm giving it. You get what I mean? You don't need to listen. You don't need to be perfect with me, yeah? I'm not gonna judge you in it. It's a mission.
You ain't completing this mission, mate. So do you enjoy your mission?
Yeah, I love it still.
What do you love
Dude,
about it?
Cheyenne
makes
is
me
like the
feel like
girl
a
that
man,
she wants
especially
you
when
to
I
just
finish the
use
mission.
some perfect words
important part.
to capture
I
her.
feel like
Even if you just want to
accomplished
tell her the truth. She's just like,
Would you say you
I don't like that word.
Do you mean, do I
Even if
finish
she
the
knows
mission
what you're
quickly?
talking about.
It depends. It depends on the mood. If I'm not feeling it, then I guess it can be a quick thing. But
Or just don't do it
why would I not do it?
if you're not feeling.
No, I mean like if I'm not excited about it, do you do foreplay?
Yeah.
That's to get in the mood, right? Sometimes you can naturally be in the mood from as soon as you enter. Remove all these cameras and lights. If I just saw you here, I'll probably be in the mood naturally. Yeah.
What do you mean?
It's a guy thing, innit?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a guy, so explain.
As a guy, sometimes you see a girl and immediately you're like, yeah, I'd give it to her. Like I'd lay it on her. So if we was to go straight to the bed right now, I don't need to think about giving it to you because I already thought about it anyway. But sometimes you need to get to that mood. Like you said, you do foreplay at times, which means you've had horrible sex.
She's probably like,
What do you mean horrible sex? Firstly, like foreplay is so important to be intimate with someone. You can't just like put your dick in like a dry vagina.
Why? Why can't you just do that?
What do you mean? Why can't you just do that?
Why can't you just get straight into it? Why?
I don't know if you're being serious or not.
I'm being serious. Like, why can't
So
you?
you think that you can just have sex, just straight off the back, put your dick inside someone's
I
vagina?
think that I can text a girl. We can have dirty text. We can link up from as soon as I open that door into the bedroom. We're both ready to have sex. I think that's possible. It happens. Maybe it's a young wild thing. I'm not calling you old or anything, but it happens. Like I feel like people that get into the whole foreplay and having to bring out their sexual side, you're bringing it out. You're dragging it out.
No, I just feel like from that just means you have no game. You don't know how
That's
to actually.
got nothing to do with game.
It's like how to touch and deal with a woman. He has no game.
Well, she's trying to get
Dude,
the grilling
what
out of
Shan
me.
is
Relax.
talking about no
I'm the
game?
one
What
doing
the
the
hell?
grilling here today. It's not your show anymore. It's mine. She's doing too much, trying to get onto me, trying to ask me questions, make me stutter. It's not happening today. It's all me. I'm in control. I'm the dominant guy today. Leave it out, darling. Come on.
Listen, you
shit.
can be a thrill seeker. You can easily, like, if it's quick thrill, probably put your dick in if you're both
No, it
excited.
doesn't need to- it doesn't
But
need to be
to think that you can just have sex so easily without foreplay.
You can do.
Yeah, you can, but it's the way you're wording it is as if it's
No, but
just
you-
like, it's really not important. Like,
I
how
didn't
a
say it's
woman
not.
would feel.
No one said
No, but
it's not
that's how it
important.
sounds.
It can sound like I'm singing a song. What I said was, you can have sex without the foreplay.
Okay, but you do.
Yeah, well, exactly. I do it, and you don't do it.
So is it because you don't know how to?
It's because I know
That's
how
not what
to
he's saying. He's saying you
have the sex
can.
without foreplay. There's ways.
But can you
Dude, Shan
do
is something
foreplay?
else, man.
Yeah, of course.
Really?
Of course, I've done. It's not. I'm not saying I've not done it. I've had to do it. You have to say. Because like I said, there's times
You
where
make it sound like a chore.
you said it's a chore.
No,
It's not.
just the way you're saying it. Like I said, no game.
Sometimes it can be more. It can make it more fun. It can make it more exciting. But like I said, the outcome is the outcome. You're doing the foreplay. You're doing the mission just to get the outcome. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So if there's a quicker way to get the outcome for both of us, why not?
Because the whole point of sex is like an intimate thing. It's not about doing it quick. It's about doing it right so you both feel good.
Foreplay, yeah, leads to you doing it, right? How about you just start from doing it? What are you confused about?
No, I'm not confused. I just can't believe that's come out your mouth.
I
But
understand what she's
anyway,
saying,
Yeah.
bro.
but anyway.
Yeah.
I understand what she's saying, bro. Like,
Do you eat pussy then?
She's bare in though in terms of licking girls out. Listen, if she wants me to lick her out, she could just ask. It's not a big deal. I eat pussy.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Do you eat pussy? Do you eat pussy? Do you know what I mean? Like, you're asking me, I'm giving you, I'm telling you yes. I feel like you eat pussy.
Why?
Because you love that question so much.
Yeah, I like asking men that question.
Yeah, well, I like asking women that question. Do you eat pussy?
Why do you like asking women that
Do you
question?
eat pussy? Yeah, she eats pussy. She eats pussy. From as soon as I asked her the question, and she was like, she eats pussy. You don't start on questions like that. I looked at her, I was like, do you eat pussy? And she was like, Do you eat pussy, yes or no?
No.
You don't eat pussy. What else do you eat?
Food.
And do you eat breakfast?
Yes. Breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Sausage. Do you eat sausage?
Yeah.
Ah, cool, so you eat sausage. That's cool. As long as you eat sausage,
When was the last time you cried?
I don't remember, you know.
What do you mean? Like, that long?
Probably primary school.
What?
Yeah. I don't know why that's a big deal. I don't know why you're screaming like I stole your money.
No, because that is a big deal. What do you mean, I don't know?
I don't get it. Why is that a big deal?
Because I just feel like men, you're so like desensitized to any sort of emotional feeling.
dude,
I
we're
feel like
not
you can be
freaking
emotional,
emotional.
but you
What
don't
the
need to
hell?
cry.
Do you feel emotion?
Yeah. Come
So,
on,
what
am I
do you
robot?
do? Like, how do you process being sad as a man that doesn't cry?
I think about what's making me sad. I have time alone. I just feel bad, or I just feel like in a certain way. But for the tears to come out my eyes, you don't understand. That requires so much movements. Like that's like, I don't know. It's a lot.
Yeah, but don't you think it's good to do that because it's a release?
What?
No,
Like,
no.
release
Of
of
course you need
what?
to cry. What the hell is he on about? So then one day,
Dude,
like, you
she
might just
don't
like hold
understand
it
a
in
man.
and
She
build
the
up.
woman
Because
trying
men's
to
mental
figure out
health,
what
like,
men
is a
want.
really
Like,
serious issue.
really?
Yeah.
And I find that because men aren't, you know, in tune with their emotions in that way, this is why like the male suicide rate is so high, because men don't know how to process emotions.
What are you talking about?
because-
Ask me better questions, man. Leave it out.
This is what I'm saying. This is the
What
problem.
are you talking about? You don't need to cry for you to not. Come on, man.
It's not come on, man.
That's
Like,
just too far. You've literally linked crying to suicide.
yeah.
No.
You have to nip it from the bud. Like, if we started early teaching men how to
To cry. How to cry.
Yeah.
How you're teaching men how to cry.
How to feel. How
Hey
to feel
guys,
emotions.
if you feel sad, cry. It helps. Crying doesn't help.
When you're a little boy and you fall over,
Dude,
say
he's
you're
making
running
more
a race,
sense.
you
But
have a
she
sister,
doesn't get
you
it.
both
Cry
fall
don't
over.
help shit.
It's okay for your sister
Dude, if
to
I want
cry,
a
but
minute
you've
dollars,
got
I
to
don't
man
kind of
up.
cry for a
Don't
minute
cry.
dollars and
Do you not
I get
think
it.
that's going to have an
No.
impact as you grow older in your life, and you're going to
Yeah.
carry that with you?
It has kind of a positive impact. Let me finish.
Positive.
Yeah, you need sometimes to just take some things in the chin. I feel like when it then gets to like proper deep like issues, for example, you know, you're going through a heartbreak, you don't have to cry to solve it. Why do you have to cry?
I'm not saying it's going to solve it, but I'm saying like it's concerning when there's such an emotional block, because heartbreak, that's a reason to cry.
Have you ever had a heartbreak?
Yeah.
Wow, so sorry about that.
Have you? Have you ever
No,
experienced
I've
anything
never
that's
had a
going to make you?
heartbreak.
Really? Have you ever been in love?
I think so.
No. So listen, heartbreak. Yeah, but when you're in love, heartbreak is hard.
You know, I don't want to get into that topic with you because I feel like you might start crying and that might help you. So when you had a heartbreak, did you cry?
Yeah, of course I did.
How many times did you cry?
A good few.
The first time you cried, it didn't help.
No, it did. A good cry helps.
Well, you cried again. So it didn't help the first, second, or third time.
It
As a
does. It
guy-
helps the way you feel.
As a guy, instead of you crying, you take one in the chin and you move on with your life. It
Yeah, but you
helps.
don't. But this is what I'm saying. It's great that you think like that.
Dude, it's
but
funny
later
how
down the
she's
line,
questioning
there
a
comes to a
man
point
telling
in
her
men's
that
lives
it doesn't
where you
help.
can't keep taking it on the chin.
That's kind of
like,
weird. That's
they're
like
actually
how
cry,
man telling a
then.
woman
Then you
out of a
cry.
period or something.
That's
That'd
when
be
you
weird
cry.
as hell.
Okay.
I've never said you should
Exactly.
never cry. You asked me if I ever cried. I said no, but you linked
No,
it.
but I was just saying.
Yeah. Eventually, you end up crying, innit?
I like to big up to. No, I'm not gonna
You get
even
a lot
say
of
that.
women.
No.
Can I ask what do you think?
Yeah, I think you get a lot of women.
I don't.
You don't? Really? Why?
Because I'm very reserved. I don't put myself out there for the woman.
Oh, so you want a woman to come to you?
No, I'm just not actively available. I feel like I'm too busy. Like I've got a lot of things going on in my life. There's a perfect time for you to find a woman, for you to be in love. You get a lot of guys, though, I can tell.
I think all women do. Men always try their luck.
That don't mean all women get some other guys.
I think, yeah, but I think women have the upper hand. Like,
Yeah.
men are always trying to pursue women.
Yeah, you lot are the praise and the predators.
Do you have any fetishes?
I like my hair being scratched. Nothing weird though, like I'm not really into the toe stuffs.
Why would you say it's weird?
Because you're a toe fetish, aren't you?
Yeah, no, but it's not even that. Like, it's not weird. It's just what people
Put
like.
your socks on and wear your shoes or just wear your heels. Why must the toes be touched? And me personally, I feel like the toes is probably one of the dirtiest part of the body. Do you like guys sucking your toes?
I like a foot massage.
Do you like guys sucking your toes? Would you like me to suck your toes?
No, I like massages.
So you don't want to suck your toes?
I don't know. It depends.
I guess suck your toes if you want. Bring them out, suck them. Bring it out. I'm open to experiment and try new things.
Are you?
Yeah, that's one thing.
Dude,
So even if I tell you I don't like something, like
Look at
that,
her
you
laugh
probably
still.
convince me to try.
So you're adventurous.
Yeah.
Is Moses your real name?
It's literally Moses. My gov, Moses. The LDN was just added because, you know, from London, innit? But yeah, I'm not one of those guys that changes their name to, you know, Kills or Reeks or that's just Moses, innit? That's my gov.
Do you have any red flags?
I always have the last word.
So you're argumentative.
I'm not argumentative, but I will have the last word.
So you're petty. Petty.
Yeah. Yeah. But would you rather me lie to you?
No. Petty. No. I want a man. Not on this childish games.
I don't like a woman that jumps to conclusion. I hate
Dude,
that so much.
Cheyenne,
I've just
man.
told you what's happened and you've linked it to doing something else. I don't like that.
Would you say you're an honest man?
Yeah, I'm very honest. I don't really beat around the bush. As a person, I'm very patterned.
What makes you a pattern guy?
I feel like I've got a lot of things in place. I've got a good business.
Even though
around
he's not
me,
gonna
I've got
win
good friends
still,
around
but
me, good
this
family
was a good
around me,
video,
I'm
I'm not
very
gonna lie.
focused. I'm
Cause we
not
all know
out
she
here
ain't not
shooting
gonna-
rubbish. I
And
know
funny
what I
enough, you know,
want.
this is a
My
series
goals and
to
plans
pick the
are
right guy.
set
So
and
she's
I am
just gonna
reaching towards that
go out
will
with a
happen.
couple
Like,
guys and then
like,
pick
I'm
the
not-
one that she wants at the
I
end
can't
or
tell you
what. How it's
defects
gonna
because
really
I know for
go.
a fact I'm working towards what I need to get. So that's what I'm very
That's the biggest point.
So what do you want?
You.
All right, okay. A few little giggles there. You're a
That's funny.
bit funny. What do you want?
I want you.
Do you?
Yeah. Can I have you? Oh, that's your loss, isn't it?
My loss? Why is it my loss?
Because you're gonna end up getting a guy that's not patterned.
Just like you, I'm a very focused person. I know what I want and I know what I need to do to get it. So I'm not gonna end up with just some waste man.
So I'm a waste man.
Didn't say you was a waste man. That's your words, not mine. I'm not saying you
Okay,
are.
so why don't you want me? Why?
Why don't I want you?
Yeah, why?
Not feeling it at the moment.
Am I not your type?
I don't really have a type.
So why don't you want
On
me?
paper, you probably would be.
Well, put it on paper then. Put it on paper. You're laughing, you're smiling, you're grinning. Like, what's wrong?
Do you like, I'm just waiting for the little vibe.
The vibe is there. I just made you laugh. Like,
No, you can't just make someone laugh and then think that's a vibe.
can you dance?
Yeah.
Can you do salsa?
I've never tried salsa, you know. Can you?
You wanna try it right now?
Define love.
Love is when you're willing to die for someone. I'll die for you.
That for me.
Nigga,
What if I'm a
nigga,
bitch?
nigga, lying, bro.
I'll die for a bitch.
When did you last have sex? Look at me when you say it, 'cause I
I'm
feel like you're
thinking, I
trying
know
to think of a
things.
lie.
I had sex 3 days ago.
Was it meaningless or was it?
Nah, it was meaningful.
Did she enjoy herself?
Yeah.
Who comes first?
Even if it's me, she still comes. It doesn't really matter.
Are you sure?
As long as you get the job done. Do you want to apply for the job? I've got a few vacancies.
Do I want to apply for the job?
I don't know, maybe you want a job in it. Come work for me, man. You need the job. Why is she acting like she doesn't want to work here? It's a big opportunity, man. Come make the money.
I will not be applying for the job. Don't you worry.
For you, I can make you manager straight away. When was the last time you had sex? You're not going to tell me, are you?
No, it was a very long time ago.
2 weeks?
No, like months. Probably 6.
Do you miss it?
No, I'm at this stage where because
Wait,
I've not
6
been
months?
doing it, I'm over it.
So you don't even think about it?
So
No.
in season
I'm doing
1,
this year, no sex.
how long was the
This
show?
whole year?
Yeah, 2022.
How long was
Even
the
this
show
big as
being
well, yeah.
recorded? 'Cause if she
It
had sex
can't
in
happen.
6 months, that means
What do you
that she was doing it.
Because when to have sex?
Is sex really important to you?
It's not really important, but
Dude, this girl lying, man. She
Yeah,
a
of course it's
liar,
needed,
man.
but
they want to have sex. Like,
Dude, she's
it's not that I
lying.
don't. I find men are quite a distraction.
come
She
on,
said she
what if she
didn't
doesn't
do
want to
things-
have sex?
Wait.
I'll be honest, she doesn't
You know
want
what?
to have sex. She's just acting up.
I'm not even gonna question it to her, but she's lying, but I feel like she's lying in certain situations.
Why?
I just feel like I'm not
But
feeling it
what, 6
anymore.
months?
You gotta give head. Like, come on,
Why?
man. That's whack. I can't speak to a girl that's not willing to give head, especially if she wants me to be giving you. Come on, that's pathetic.
Why?
Why are you not giving head? You want to have great sex.
Yeah.
Like, you claim, what you said earlier? You need to have foreplay. but you don't want to give head. Head is part of foreplay.
All right, it's a yeah, but only if you're my man.
I'm your man.
Do you want to be my man?
I'm already your man.
Oh, is that so?
I'm just letting you process it.
Oh, okay. Okay, I fancy him a little bit.
Yo, see it?
Are you?
Because he's
What do you do to be so dominant?
First of all,
straightforward,
we both can't
man.
be dominant.
All right, so pick up no then.
No, you stop it. 99.9% of girls, their favorite position is missionary. Is that yours?
Yes.
Well then, what are you talking about? How are you dominant in bed?
I'm on top.
Of missionary.
Yeah.
Then that's
It's
not
both ways. Yeah,
missionary.
it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
What have you been watching, bro? Cartoon
Missionary is the
porn?
same, isn't it?
No. Are you giving me streaks on top?
Yeah, that's missionary.
No, darling, no. Let me do the job. You just lay down there and act cute.
Dude, she didn't
I
even
do
know
the
what that
mission.
means.
You
That's
do
not
the
that.
errand.
Dude,
Simple, done.
she don't even know the meaning of
Missionary
that
is the guy on
word.
top giving strokes. That's it. Full stop.
Oh. Do you not think I am?
Do you do the choking?
She
Do you do
didn't.
the
She didn't.
slapping?
She didn't
I'll slap
even
you,
know
I'll provide
what
that
the
you
word
want.
meant,
Should we
bro.
do
That's
a battle of
crazy. Yeah, she
dominance?
just using the word.
It's not a battle.
I like how this
really
guy is
won.
actually
I will
smart.
slap you if you want.
Dad, I don't want you to slap me. You should want to slap me if you're dominant.
He actually wants me to slap him.
You're not dominant.
I'll slap you now if you want.
Slap me.
Do you want me to slap you?
Slap me.
Would you actually let me slap
Slap
you?
me. Let me see how hot you are. Go on, slap me. Slap me.
Okay, now off my hands. Right, can you bring your face? Okay, little one.
That was alright. It wasn't that sexy, bro. It's supposed to be a sexy slap.
No. This is the thing. When you're being dominant, you're not trying to be sexy. Like you're dominating.
That was a dead slap, man. I felt like a hug. Like, man.
Yeah, no, I don't.
No,
No, yeah, when
it's
you
like-
dominate.
Ah, you like that? That's not that, bitch.
When you're a submissive man
Dude, this is
and
actually
you're like
funny,
a
man.
little slave or something,
Yeah.
then it's a complete different way of.
You're not
dominance.
dominant, man. Just leave it out.
You don't think I'm dominant?
You're just not dominant. You are just there saying, oh, be careful. That's what you're doing. Stop it. You're not dominant.
Why don't you strangle me then?
Yeah, come.
Go on, show me how you would dominate me and strangle me. I'll show you if it's like a good strangle.
Come closer.
It's quite an alright one.
It's not alright. You
Alright, you got
even if it was
Yo.
amazing, you was always going to say alright. You're still
Dude,
thinking
this
about it, aren't you?
Dude, this is so
calm
crazy,
down,
man.
it's
This is
okay.
actually
Calm down.
funny, bro.
Relax. I can strangle you some more after. Don't worry. Calm down.
You got the
Yo.
grab, that's what it is. It's the grab, man.
Yo, look how I'm getting ready. What the
I
hell?
know you're going to say, oh,
See, I was actually be nice.
I think you're hot.
Yeah, you're
I like your
attractive.
vibe.
You wouldn't.
Do you know what? It's not an issue if you say yes. But me personally, I feel like the exes that I've had, I can't be friends with them. Maybe in the future, if I have a good ex, you get what I'm trying to say, but the exes that I've had, I can't be friends with them.
I've never had a bad breakup.
Okay.
So like we've always been on good terms, and just the way I see life, like it'll be a shame for someone I've shared just life with, it'd be a shame to walk past them in the street.
Dude,
and
that's
have, like,
crazy,
bad
dude. I
luck
was
with them.
sweating like
Okay,
crazy
but
at
it's
that
not like
moment. That's
you're
fucking
still
funny
texting
as hell.
and linking up.
No, but I'd link up with one of my exes, like every few years, like we'll hang out, but that's it.
Why? Why are you guys linking up?
Because we're friends. Like above it, I think as well, like
Friends,
people forget.
yeah, right.
Before you get in a relationship, usually like you're friends first. So just because we didn't work out on an intimate level doesn't mean that we should lose out on a friendship because we're really good friends.
Fair enough. Honestly, I don't care. You know, whether you're friends with your ex or not. As long as you're with me, that's what I'm at. Simple.
Yeah. I wonder if he actually meant that. I don't know.
I don't know why you said no, but if I told you my body count was over 100, you wouldn't be happy.
Okay, it would bother me a little, but it's not going to be an issue.
Okay, but you do care.
Yeah.
So the
To a
answer
li-
is gonna be
no,
yes.
only a small amount because I'm not one of those people where it's like, no, it's a red flag for me. It would make me question.
The answer is yes, clearly. I get what you mean though.
Exactly,
But the
so
answer's
you
not
mean-
no though. I get what you're saying, but the answer's not no.
All right, yes then.
Okay, fair enough. But yeah, like you said, it can't
Like
be
how
extreme,
he's
it can't be
actually
too much,
challenger.
but Personally, it's not something that will really bother me because everyone has their past at the end of the day. Plus, a lot of people lie about their body count anyway. So whether you tell me it's 2 or 100,
That's the thing,
I
bro.
will never know what it is for real. So it will never really get in the way of me liking someone or being with someone. So I don't really think it's a big deal. But if I do find out that it's over 100 or whatever, of course I'm gonna care. It's normal, isn't it? Not my girl. Never. My girl sleeping with bare man. Forget about it. It's not possible.
Okay. Like,
the main
he's
reason why
actually
I'm a
being
family
honest
person is
in the
because
background,
I
like
don't
just
really have a
telling
lot
you
of
how
family
it
around
is.
me,
Is that like
but I do have a
bullshitting,
family
bro?
that
Just
brings
telling you
them
how
on
it
me,
is,
even though they're
like-
not all around me. I didn't come from a wealthy background. I came from a poor background. The makings that I've made, the income that I've made, I feel like the only way I can give back is to give to my family. And every time I do, it makes me happy, genuinely. That's all that matters to me, if you get what I mean, like my family, my loved ones.
Yeah.
Everything else is just whatever happens, happens, innit? Do you get? So that's why I'm so heavy on the family business and so on and so forth.
So you're a provider.
Yeah.
she loved that?
I've
man.
never cheated.
And not
Dude,
that I
I'm
was
still
making
laughing
an
about the
assumption, but I'm
whole
quite
choking
surprised.
situation and the hidden
Really?
situation.
Yeah.
Because Shane was so
I think you
excited
cheated.
about that.
No.
And funny enough,
Listen, from the
I think
eye
he's
contact
the
she's
only
giving me,
guy that
she's
did that to her.
cheated.
Like,
I can
literally
do it.
physically
Hell,
touch her. Like,
she cheated. At least once. Maybe not physically, but I feel like you cheated. Fair enough. I mean, this is another one of the questions where you never know the actual answer.
What? I've already given it to you.
Well, you know, I don't know the people you've dated.
But why
I
would I
can't-
cheat?
Oh,
Like,
that's-
just leave. Just leave.
No one's ever gonna come here and tell you they've cheated. You get, regardless if they have or not.
A few have.
Really?
But like you said, if it's just someone that we've met in a club and we've decided we're friends, as women, like, we kind of do this cock-blocky thing with each other where we'll make friends with you in the toilets, like in the club. I'm like, oh, no, that's my ex-boyfriend. And then because you've just met her and she seems like a nice person, you kind of feel really bad talking to the guy that's chatting you up, and then you're just like, oh, sorry. Do you go clubbing?
No.
dude, at least she's giving
Not
me all the
that,
secrets.
I really don't care about that. Time consuming, money consuming. Like I said, there's always an outcome to everything in life. Guys that go clubbing to spend money, impress women, take them home and have sex. Yeah, to do the mission anyways. Yeah. I don't really understand, because I don't think every girl goes clubbing for the exact same mission.
No, like, do you not just go out to have a good time with your mates?
Yeah, but it doesn't have to be clubbing. We can do so many more. Do you know what I mean? There's so many different things, especially me and my friends, we love traveling. That's one thing we love doing. And when you think about the money you're going to spend in the club compared to how much you spend on traveling, it's probably roughly the same anyway. So I'd rather leave the country. Like, why am I still here? When I am abroad, I will go to a few clubs just to have fun. But my main thing is just exploring and just seeing things I've never seen before. I'm a weirdo. You can say I'm a weirdo, I guess. But because I know a lot of people tend to go clubbing, but that's just not really me, innit?
Yeah, that's good. I'd let you buy me a drink in the bar. What would you do if I wanted to start an OnlyFans?
Sell your clothes or to sell to
It's pictures.
what kind of pictures?
See?
It depends how you want to use it. If you want to use it in a very sexual way, that's your choice. That I'm not involved in. That's all you in it. You get. At that point, you're doing porn. You get. Whether it's on OnlyFans or Pornhub, it's porn. But if you're out here showing your toes and doing lingerie pictures, that's what people do on Instagram, anyways. Even if you're there to sell your socks, never. Don't even download the app. Better go download the Bible app or go download eBay.
Dude, it's
or something.
funny
Go buy
that
something
he's
through
saying
live.
something
Not
different
doing
in the
that.
background
Yeah, but
and telling her
What's your
this.
thoughts on women
I
that
don't
work
really
in
like
the adult
that.
industry?
I like
Pick them
how
up, because there's times where you need them. Nah, let's be real.
he shouldn't be
They're
telling
doing- it's a
her
service.
something different than
I
what
may
he's
not
saying in
need
the
them.
background.
To them, it's a hustle, but to other people, it's a service. You get, it's a supply and demand business. So I don't really think there's anything wrong with it. If that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do, innit?
What about if I didn't want to sleep with you for the first 6 months?
6 months is a bit too long. I'll probably try to show you why you should. I feel like we'll have a bit of dry sex sessions anyways. I think the issue is with me. If you don't want to do it, I wouldn't think it was with you. Even though you tell me, oh, I'm just focusing on myself and so on, I still think you thought it was with me. But I'm not gonna force you. I mean, if you don't want to do it, you don't want to do it.
Like, for me as a woman, I would like to know that there's a man that's willing to wait. I think it says more about the man.
Okay.
Like, that's gonna wait around and get to know you on a level instead of just like sleep with you straight away.
Yeah, but 6 months is a bit of a stretch, don't you think?
No.
For guys willing to wait 2 months, that's a long time. Taking you out, looking after you 2 months, I think that's alright to notice that he's willing to wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think you have to go 6 months. Plus, if the girl doesn't want to do anything within 6 months, that's a bit worrying for the guy. Like,
No, could be working on herself.
see this working on myself business, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's leave it, yeah.
Why?
Let's because what's the job? What is it? What is it? Girls, stop saying that it's a lie, it's a joke. You're just finding a reason to not chat to guys. You're not working on yourself. I'm tired of hearing
That's
it.
true, bro.
Please, leave it.
That's true.
Just internal work.
You're
like
fine.
leveling up.
Shine,
all that
you're
sort of
fine. You're not working on yourself. You're good. You're looking for love. You're pretty. You have your business and whatever you got going on. You're fine. What are you working on? So a lot of girls just say that as an excuse. I'm working on myself. No, you're not. You're fine. You're good, man.
What would you do if I
Yo.
wanted to involve other people in my sex life?
I like how he's calling her out, bro. He's calling her out. Nothing, yo, Shane, you're
Could you
cool, man.
handle
Stop
two women?
lying, bro.
Yeah, but not the first round.
What if I was in a gang?
Let's imagine you was in the gang. I don't know, I can't do it because I'm not a GM myself. I'm not a gang member. Gang life. From when me, I ain't even about that. Why are you about that? Listen, if you're on that, leave me out of it. I'm not involved. I'm not about that life at all. You get like I'm really, really away from that life. I like peace, harmony. I don't want to be looking at my back when I'm, so I can't. Nah, it can't work.
True,
How about
bro.
husband?
Stay away from that life, bro.
No,
Seriously.
not about that life.
But I feel like girls love that.
No. When you're a teenager, you think it's cool.
Yeah. But when you get older.
But then as you get older, you realise it's not about that life. It's about a good man with good morals and stability. Not saying these men
I like
aren't,
her
but
her
some
makeup is
aren't
actually
really
matching her
attractive.
skin this
You do
time.
want a guy
Like
that can put you
the
on
last
stage.
one
I
was.
could put my place.
Don't you think there's an element of a bad man though?
No.
Not physically a bad person.
No. A really good, hard-working man that has a legit job can easily put me in my place.
Okay.
So you had a good date?
Yeah, I have actually.
Would you say I'm the best date you've been on?
No.
Did any guys
Oh,
choke you?
No.
Why'd you let me choke you?
Yeah, I wanted to see.
that's what I'm
That kinda gave
saying.
me a lot of regret.
None of them have actually
I feel
chose
like it's a
her.
bit wild of you.
Yeah, I wanted to try it. How do you think you've done on the date?
That's what I'm
think I'm
saying.
alright.
I
I
did
feel
say
like I
that.
got
Like,
to know you a bit
he's the
more.
first one to
I feel
actually
like you're
choke
not
her,
as
bro.
Confident as I thought you were, but you are not in a negative way. I thought you was gonna be very like onto me. But you're cute, like you're innocent, and you know what I mean, you give me a shy vibe, which is cute. And I'm happy I made you laugh a few times and smile or whatever.
What do you rate yourself out of 10 on this date?
I'll give myself an 8. I'm humble.
8 is humble. I feel like 8's really high.
10 is really high. I feel like I made you laugh. I feel like we had an interesting chat. We touched on the sex part. So I think 8 is alright.
Oh my god, the date actually went really well.
You know what?
That's what I'm saying.
I actually enjoyed myself. I didn't think I was going to enjoy myself. It was purely vibes.
Yeah, the vibe is nice though.
Beginning was a no-go.
Until they reach the
Beginning.
down, yeah, until they reach the middle, it actually
Let me
kick off.
choke her, which is obviously going to lead to more. Don't worry, guys. I'll let you guys know when it happens.
I like him. It could be the wine though.
Lord knows what would have happened if she finished her wine.
No, he handled it well. Stayed calm and collected.
There was no grilling there, man. There was probably microwaving. there was no grilling. There was nothing being grilled.
I'd see him again.
Yeah. But it would never be anything serious, though. Let's be real. I'll definitely see her again.
Yeah, he's attractive, but there was a lot of red flags in the beginning.
Knowing how she is, probably give me a 7 or 6. If she gives me anything lower than a 6, sorry, we're scrapping.
I'm going to give him a 6.8.
Oh, we got a 6.8.
Give him that because I feel like I'm attracted to him, but you need to have a little bit more for me to actually give you a good rating.
Okay, Cheyenne. Okay.